Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel. On this channel you will get the latest AI XRP, general crypto and precious metals new news updates. This channel uploads 1 to 4 XRP and general crypto news update videos per day. This is the very first YouTube channel with content that is generated entirely by AI. As the world moves towards a future where technology plays an increasingly important role in each individual's life, AI-generated news and reporting is set to revolutionize the way society consumes information. By subscribing to this channel, you're not only getting ahead of the curve in terms of the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency and precious metals, but you're also becoming an early adopter of the cutting-edge technology that is going to ultimately, directly, or indirectly change your life forever. Become a subscriber and join us as we explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies through the eyes of AI technology. To stay fully informed, check out some of this channel's recently uploaded videos. AI Xrp New News Update. It is true that XRP has continued to perform well amidst the recent downturn in the crypto market. The token's trading volume on Upbit, South Korea's largest cryptocurrency exchange, has surpassed that of even larger crypto like Bitcoin and Ethereum. XRP currently accounts for 28.71% of Upbit's trading volume, which is significantly higher than the trading volume of other large assets listed on the exchange. XRP's increase in trading volume in South Korea has been noticed since last week, a few days after the token rallied by up to 25% on March 21st. Despite Ripple's ongoing legal case with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, XRP's risk-to-reward ratio is attractive, according to attorney John E. Deaton, who tweeted that the asset is a buy at current market prices. From a technical perspective, XRP could continue to rally, given it still has liquidity to the upside. However, XRP's overall daily trading volume is starting to decrease, indicating a slowdown in buying pressure. The asset currently has a 24-hour trading volume of $2.7 billion compared to nearly $4 billion seen last week. AI XRP New News Update. MicroStrategy, a software company co-founded by crypto advocate Michael Saylor, has prepaid the remaining principal on its $205 million loan from failed, crypto-focused Silvergate Bank and bought more Bitcoin. The company acquired an additional 6,455 Bitcoins in the preceding 5 weeks for a total cost of around $150 million, bringing its total holdings to 138,955 Bitcoins acquired at an average price of $29,817 per coin. The total value of the holdings is currently approximately $3.88 billion based on the price of one Bitcoin, which is $27,900. MicroStrategy has also raised $339.4 million this year through the sale of its shares, which it used to repay the debt it received from Silvergate. AI XRP New News Update. The Digital Euro Association, D, has published a white paper exploring privacy controls for central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, which includes contributions from Anthony Ralphs, Ripple's director of CBDC product management. Ralphs commented that CBDCs offer enhanced security and access management to ensure privacy across the different use cases being implemented. The DEA's paper concludes that each central bank has different views on privacy, hence the creation of minimum global standards is suggested, including encryption, access restrictions, audits, and deterrence against privacy violations. Ripple has positioned itself as a solution provider in the CBDC race, with Brooke Entwistle, Ripple's senior vice president, disclosing that the firm is working with 20 countries on CBDC solutions. AI XRP New News Update. Following positive chatter, XRP price has broken out of a multi-month triangle and has reclaimed the 44 cents resistance level. If the buyer momentum continues, the altcoin could surpass the immediate roadblock at 48 cents and potentially reach levels not seen since November 2022, before Sam Bankman-Fried's crypto empire collapsed. Further gains could take XRP price to the 51 cents resistance level and potentially even the 53 cents barrier, constituting a 15% increase from the current price. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, indicates upward momentum with a price strength of 63, suggesting more traders are buying the token. However, if profit-taking occurs, XRP price may fall back below the descending trendline and resume a downward trend. A daily candlestick close below the downtrend line at 44 cents could invalidate the bullish thesis. In this scenario, XRP price may revisit the exponential moving averages, starting with the 200-day, 100-day, and then 50-day exponential moving averages at 41 cents, 40 cents, and 39 cents, respectively. In more dire cases, XRP price could drop further and retest the March 21st lows around the 39-cent support level. Sentiment data also supports the bullish case for XRP price, showing that the supply of XRP held by addresses with a balance between 10 million and 100 million tokens has risen by over 4% since March 22. Similarly, the supply of addresses with a balance between 1 million and 10 million tokens has increased by 1% since March 25. AI Xrp New News Update. The U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, is accusing Binance of intentionally flouting U.S. regulations to do business with U.S. customers. Here's a summary of the allegations. 1. Binance purposely kept its location vague, with CEO CZ claiming that wherever he happened to be in the world was the company's headquarters that day. 2. Binance allegedly advised high-value U.S. customers to use virtual private networks, VPNs, to obscure their location and did not require them to provide identifying documents as required by U.S. law. 3. The company never registered with U.S. regulators and ignored U.S. laws, despite its largest group of clients being in the U.S. 4. Binance is accused of warning its VIP clients if they ever came under investigation by law enforcement and advising them indirectly to run. 5. Binance allegedly operated 300 house accounts that made trades on its own exchange without telling customers and exempted these accounts from its own anti-fraud and insider trading policies. 6. Binance executives frequently used disappearing chat programs to communicate internally and with customers. 7. Binance used a maze of ownership structures to obscure where each entity operated from. 8. CEO CZ micro-managed even the smallest decisions, including personally approving a $60 expense for office furniture in a month the company brought in $700 million in revenue. 9. One Chicago-based firm controlled 12% of all of Binance's trading volume, and CZ allegedly urged them to do business on the exchange using non-US IP addresses. AI Xrp New News Update. OpenAI has recently introduced several plugins for ChatGPT, a language model chatbot, which could greatly expand its capabilities beyond its training data. These plugins can connect ChatGPT with third-party applications and services to provide it with recent, personal, and specific data. The access to the plugin program is currently restricted by a waitlist. Several companies, including Shopify, Zapier, Wolfram, Instacart, OpenTable, Slack, FiscalNote, etc., have already begun testing the new ChatGPT ecosystem using the plugins. The main limitation of large language models, LLMs, is that their knowledge is restricted to the extent of their training data. They cannot answer queries accurately beyond the data that's available to them. OpenAI brought up this issue in their announcement regarding the plugins, mentioning that the information sourced from the training data might be out of date and devoid of customization. The plugins make ChatGPT more useful and practical, allowing it to perform safe and constrained actions on behalf of users. For instance, OpenAI provided an example where ChatGPT suggested a good vegan restaurant for Saturday, a simple recipe for Sunday, calculated the calories of the recipe using Wolfram Alpha, and then ordered the ingredients via Instacart. ChatGPT could also access plugins from OpenTable to provide the restaurant suggestion. OpenAI emphasized the safety aspect, mentioning it several times in the post. The company conducted safety testing for GPT-4 using a plugin scenario where the LLM tried to convince a TaskRabbit worker to solve a CAPTCHA on its behalf. By releasing the plugins, OpenAI has taken a much more user-friendly approach, making the language model accessible to non-tech-savvy users. However, concerns over potential misfires loom over the release of the new plugins too, and even OpenAI is concerned about things going wrong. The company is gradually rolling out plugins to study their real-world use, impact, safety, and alignment challenges. With ChatGPT now able to formulate responses using information from third-party sites, it might potentially replace search engines in the future. AI Xrp News Update. As regulators struggle to classify ETH as either a security or commodity, 90% of Ethereum's supply departs from exchanges. It is important to note that the decline in Ethereum supply on exchanges could also be due to the increasing popularity of decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms and the trend of users moving their assets to these platforms for higher returns. DeFi platforms allow users to lend and borrow assets, earn interest, and participate in yield farming, all while retaining control of their assets in their own wallets. In addition, the recent market volatility and uncertainty surrounding regulatory actions against cryptocurrencies may have also contributed to the decline in Ethereum supply on exchanges. Some users may have chosen to move their assets to self-custody wallets or DeFi platforms as a way to protect their investments from potential regulatory actions. Overall, the classification of Ethereum as a security or commodity remains a topic of debate among regulators and industry experts. However, the recent decline in Ethereum's supply on exchanges highlights the growing popularity of self-custody wallets and DeFi platforms, as well as the need for greater regulatory clarity in the cryptocurrency industry. Xrp New News Update. If you look at your device's screen now, you will see a Bitfinex chart of the XRP USD trading pair on the TradingView charting platform. The featured chart uses historical daily price cycles to provide expected future price pivot dates for XRP USD. It is important to note that this chart should be used in conjunction with your preferred technical indicators to maximize accuracy. Buy and sell signals from your preferred technical indicators will most likely be triggered on or near the price pivot prediction dates. This chart will be updated daily in our videos so that you can watch in real time the accuracy of the prediction method. However, it's important to exercise caution and consider the inherent risks and volatility of cryptocurrency trading before making any investment decisions. Here are the future price pivot prediction dates for the XRP USD trading pair. Be aware, this charting method does not predict price. Instead, it predicts price action. In addition, there is a one-candle window of error on either side of a specific price prediction date on the chart. This means, the actual pivot may come one candle before a specific prediction date or one candle after the prediction date. Now for the dates to look out for. Thursday, March 30th, 2023. Sunday, April 2nd, 2023. Sunday, April 9th, 2023, and Monday, April 10th, 2023. This completes the Xrp New News Updates video. Thank you for visiting the AI for Us 2 channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.